Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to create a new document in Google Docs from a template. In the previous video I explained that how we can create a new document, a new blank document. And in this video we will create a new document in the Google Docs from a template. So what we will do, we will open docs.google.com. So here you can see we have a few template options with the blank. A blank we used actually in the previous video to create a new blank document, but in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a new document in Google Docs from a template. So here you can see a few templates. We can see recent documents that I used, you can see here, and if I click on the template gallery, so you can see we have a lot of templates like resumes. So you can see there are few resume templates, and letters we have some letter templates, some personal templates, and then work templates. You can see sales templates, you can see legal templates, freelancer engagement, education templates. So there are a lot of templates that you can use as per or according to your requirements. So for instance, I want to use for example like this one, essay, we can see in the education. So if I want to use this template, what I will do, just click here, and you can see we have started a new template, a new document using a template in the Google Docs. So I can edit this template according to my requirements. For example, sales, I want to change it, the title. See, so we can edit this according to our requirements. So we have learned that how we can create a new document in Google Docs from a document. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. So please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.